Guys, today in this video I'm going to make clay puppet. Means I'm going to keep clay in my puppet. So guys, I was not uploading videos from so long, means I think 2 months I was not uploading, guys, because I was busy and I got time now. So I'm going to try to upload continuous videos, means continuous long videos, or at least I will upload some DIY videos in the form of short only, but I'm going to upload some things. So guys, but you have to do one thing, that you have to comment down below your ideas that you want. Like if you want that I should make a greeting card for birthday, I am going to make that, and I'm going to try to upload that video as soon as possible. So that way you need to comment down below your ideas. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get started. I'm going to fill orange clay in half because it's a big puppet. Not big, but it's medium size. Actually small, but this much clay is not enough for this. So I'm going to fill how much it will take. Then I'm going to fill something else color. By the way, guys, I think you have listened about this clay. It's air dry clay, and I've recently bought it. If you have not seen my unboxing video, I have making a video on that stationery haul video. I'm going to link that in the description box, so please go and check out that video. So yes, let's start filling it. Guys, after filling all the clays in my puppet, now I'm going to just take it out, and the layers are quite thick, means literally very thick. Oh, so I'm going not to say anything. Listen to ASMR. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment down below, should I do 7 days pop-up challenge. So you can comment down your ideas. Should I freeze something, or should I do something with my puppet? So yes, but do not, please do not just suggest food related ideas, because this puppet, I think, I don't know actually what type of silicone or what type of puppet we should use for making food in this. That way I'm not going to make any food. That way, guys, please do not suggest food related ideas for puppet. You can suggest like freeze slime in your puppet, like this clay, or you can also suggest me freeze ice, or just make DIY puppet, and etc. etc. So on that 7 days I'm going to definitely make something. So you need to comment down below that I should make 7 days, I should start 7 days puppet challenge or not. If yes, so from next Monday, means from next Monday I'm going to start that challenge, and on that week Sunday I'm going to stop that challenge. And if you want that I should do something else challenge after puppet challenge, so you can comment down below. Or you want, like, if you don't want me to do puppet challenge, you can comment down below, etc. Another challenge, for example like paper craft challenge, clay making challenge, etc. etc. So I'm going to definitely try it. And by the way, guys, this vase which you are seeing, I am making at home. So let me show you. So guys, this is how it looks, and I hope you can see. Okay, so these are the petals. Let me take. And these are straws which I'm making it. If you want DIY how I'm making this full video on a tutorial of this vase, so comment down below. I'm going to definitely make this video. And by the way, this whole vase and petals are definitely reuse idea. I can definitely say it, because these petals are made from paper bag which we get from shops and just we throw it, but I'm making petals from that. And this is a juice bottle, cold drink bottle. You can take anything. I've taken a milkshake bottle. So yes, you can comment down below your ideas, and also comment down below, should I do 7 days pop-it challenge next or not? If you want, so please comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, because it's my target that I complete 100 subscribers this month. So hopefully I would complete my target. So thanks for watching this video. That's it for today's video. So yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye.